Hi, my name is Widjaja. I sold my home with Rudy Kusuma home selling team. The reason I'm selling the house because I'm moving overseas. I'm retired. Moving to Bali, Indonesia. Why I'm moving? Because I'm going to retire. No more work. No more phone call. Well, from the advertisement, Indonesian magazines, like Indonesian media. That's why I found Rudy. Yeah, he was advertising the Indonesian media. Oh, he was good though, saying good communication, we keep in touch all the time. Yes, the reason I'm selling my house with Rudy, because I heard he has like 30,000 buyers. So it might probably like sell my home faster. Because they have a 30,000 buyer in waiting, it means they can create more demand from my home. I worked with Julio, he was a good agent, so we always keep in touch all the time. He always give me call, keep it update with me at all the time. I was satisfied with Julio. This was a second time I used Rudy Kusuma and the home selling teams because they were working hard. They were good people to work with. Overall, I like to work with my agent Julio, and if one of my family or one of my friends, I would recommend them to work with Rudy Kusuma home selling teams.